Have you ever wondered how some Instagram pages and TikTok accounts skyrocket to fame, gaining thousands of followers and racking up views with every post? They do it by sharing dark-themed motivational videos, earning thousands of dollars each month through monetization and brand sponsorships. Now imagine doing the same for your YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. In this video, I'll take you through a step-by-step process to create these powerful motivational videos. From crafting an engaging script to finding the perfect B-roll footage and editing your video to perfection, I'll cover it all. And as a bonus, I'll reveal an exciting method to maximize your earnings with these videos. So stick around. You're not going to want to miss this. Without further ado, let's dive in. Firstly, open ChatGPT. I know this AI software is not new to you. Input this prompt, which I will drop in the description of this video. You can take your time to modify it as you want. The idea behind the prompt is to generate quotes to be used for this motivational videos. Once you've picked a quote you like, copy it from ChatGPT and then head over to 11 Labs, a text-to-voice generation AI tool. Are you enjoying this video so far? If yes, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our latest updates. Check the link in the description to access 11 Labs. You'll need to create an account first. Once you're in, your interface should look like this. 11 Labs offers many voices to choose from. Click on Voices, then select Voice Library. From here, search for a deep voice suitable for your motivational content. Once you have chosen a voice, paste your quote from ChatGPT into the provided text-to-speech column and tweak it slightly to make it sound like you're speaking directly to the viewer, ensuring they feel emotional and motivated. Once you've finished generating the voice, click the download button. Now that we have our voice ready, let's find some motivational background music. Check the description for a link to the music you can use. To get our B-roll footage, go to pixabay.com and search for wildlife to find high-quality clips that you can download. I highly recommend clips of lions, wolves, or eagles, as they best suit motivational videos. Alternatively, you can find video clips on websites like pexels.com and Mixkit. These sites offer videos that are free from copyright, so you won't have to worry about any copyright issues. All the content on these websites is completely free. Now that you have your voiceover and B-roll footage, it's time to start the editing process. Open CapCut and import all the videos you have downloaded along with your voiceover. Drag the voiceover to the sequence and trim any empty parts to ensure it sounds clean and free of pauses. Next, add the clips you have downloaded. Try to include a variety of different clips in your project to keep it interesting for viewers. This variety will prevent them from getting bored, as they'll enjoy seeing different scenes and visuals. Next, let's edit the pictures or videos to have a dark theme. Start with the first one, go to Adjustment, and change the settings as shown on the screen. Don't worry, I will include the settings in the description in case you miss them here. Repeat the same settings for the rest of the pictures. Then, go to Effect and add any effect of your choice. The lens effect is a great choice, but you can select whichever effect you prefer. Also, add some transitions between the clips to make the video more engaging. I recommend using the ink transition to make the video look cool and add some movement. Once you have completed all these steps, your video will be ready. Click on Text, then select Caption. Choose Auto Caption and set the language to English. Click on Generate and wait a minute for the captions to finish generating. After that, click on Caption again and select the text. To choose any template you prefer, adjust the size, choose a suitable font, and add background music to enhance the video. Take your time with the editing to ensure it looks great. Once you are done, click Export in the top right corner. Give your video a name and hit Export again. You're finished. Amazing. Let's see how it turns out. This is by far the easiest and fastest way to create viral motivational videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. A creative life is an amplified life. It would really help me if you gave this video a like and a comment. This way, I can make more of these videos for you. Thanks for watching.